So this is a story time about how my dog died. So I was coming back from school on Friday, but I just forgot to tell you guys. And so when I was coming back from school, my mom actually picked me up in the car rider, and she brought my dog. Yeah, so we went to my grandma's house, and I told my mom I was gonna walk my dog, and I just no, she forgot to bring a leash. I was like, oh, okay, I'll just keep him very close to me. I was like, okay. So I went to walk the dog. Meanwhile, the people living in front of us also were walking their dog. But they had Pitbull. And yeah, he was on leash, so we thought we were safe. I thought I was safe with my dog. And I was walking, being very cautious of my dog being next to his dog. And since my dog was really curious, he would like to go sniff other dogs. So he got close, so I was trying to stop him. But okay, let's call the other dog Pitbull, whatever. Anyways, the Pitbull, he's like big. So, yeah, he's big. My dog is tiny. Yeah. Anyways, my dog got close to him and started sniffing at me. I don't know what other dogs do. But the Pitbull did not like it, so he bit him. He bit him. Oh, he bit his front top spine, and we tried to let him go. Tried to put milk on him to make sure it stopped, but he just wouldn't let go. And then there's this old lady who was kind of diagonal from us, and she's old. She's kind of Mexican, and she was trying to help us get the Pitbull's mouth out of get my dog out of Pitbull's mouth. But she tried to hit him with her little stick thing. It didn't work. And soon later he died. We buried him. And yeah, we got the pest control. He said we can't take him because he was technically pest control said that they couldn't take him. Why? Because he was on leash and they can't take dogs unless they're stray, on leash, or something like that. So they just couldn't just take him, which is sad. So every time I go to my grandma's house, I always see a dog, and he just reminds me of my dog, which is really traumatizing and sad. And so yeah. Yeah, so that is what happened, and I just want to tell you guys, because I just made a short about it, my first things in it. Yeah, so I just wanted to tell you guys about